Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to How To, or if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're discussing a topic that lies at the heart of a strong and loving relationship: how to respect your life partner. So, if you're ready to deepen your bond and show your partner the respect they deserve, let's get started. Understand the importance of respect. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. It's essential to acknowledge your partner's worth, understand that your partner has their own unique qualities and strengths. Healthy communication, respectful communication is key to resolving conflicts and maintaining trust. Active listening. Active listening is a fundamental aspect of showing respect. Put away distractions. When your partner is speaking, put away your phone or any other distractions. Empathize. Try to understand your partner's point of view, even if you disagree. Validate feelings. Show that you acknowledge their feelings, even if you don't share the same emotions. Communicate openly and honestly. Open and honest communication is crucial. Share your thoughts and feelings. Express your feelings, thoughts, and concerns openly but respectfully. No blame game. Avoid blaming or accusing your partner. Instead, focus on the issue at hand. Use I statements. Say "I feel" rather than "you make me feel" to express your emotions. Show appreciation. Showing appreciation is a powerful way to demonstrate respect, gratitude. Express gratitude for the things your partner does for you. Compliments. Compliment your partner sincerely and regularly. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate each other's successes and milestones. Set boundaries and respect them. Establishing and respecting boundaries is essential for a respectful relationship. Discuss boundaries. Have an open conversation about each other's boundaries and preferences. Consent. Always seek consent in all aspects of your relationship, including physical intimacy. No means no. If your partner says no to something, respect their decision without pressure. Respecting your life partner is not just a one-time effort, it's a daily commitment to building a loving and healthy relationship. By understanding the importance of respect, actively listening, communicating openly, showing appreciation, and respecting boundaries, you can strengthen your bond and create a lasting partnership. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts or additional tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and remember, respect is the key to a thriving relationship. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.